Hi, welcome to the FlexArmor YouTube channel. We've been protecting RV roofs since 2005. So we're going to check out our sprayed RV roof on a fiberglass roof that came into our shop, a little bit older coach. Had a lot of water damage, so this one actually entailed taking off fiberglass, taking out all the wet Luan, getting it dried out, resheeting the whole roof. Then here it is in some of the final stages, getting ready to get its new FlexArmor roof put on. So it takes about a day and a half of prep typically. This one took a lot longer because it did need a lot of wood repair and shoring up. And here is the roof when it's done. This one actually got a custom color. Many fiberglass roofs, we roll over to the edge to about the top. Some gutter rails, some don't have gutter rails. This one didn't, but come around to that edge where your side panels are. He had an older gel coat with a lot of issues. So we came down as far as we could and did a color match with one of his, it looks gray, but in person it looks more brown. But this was to help blend it in so he didn't have bright white. When you don't have white on your coach, some customers choose not to have our white roof showing. And this one we actually came all the way down to the windshield because of the bad gel coat. It's a lot less expensive to have us extend the roof another foot than to go get clear coat fixed. Here it is from the top. As you can see, all the seams are gone. This particular customer, as you can see, had that skylight sprayed over. A lot of customers choose that because of how much heat it cuts out, and it stops the plastic from yellowing in your shower. So here you go. He has no more seams, no more caulking joints to maintain, and he has a leak-free roof now. So if you'd like to find out more about getting a sprayed RV roof for your camper, check us out at rvroof.com, or you can check us out on Facebook under FlexArmor or rvroof.com and see how we can help you get a lifetime no leak warranty on your unit.